Navigate to the Import Shadows page. And download a sample template file. Populate the file and save it to your computer. Import the file, and a queued job is created to process the file. Monitor the import job until it's completed. Newly created shadows will be displayed on the product's Shadows Toolbox tab. Follow the previous steps to download and import template file. This time, you enter Remove Shadow into the Action column as shown. Open your saved file and import it. Here, you can see that the shadow has been removed.